To appear offline on Facebook in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. When you click on this, you come to this page, and you have to scroll bit down, and you can see the settings and privacy. You have to click on the settings and privacy, and then you have to click on the settings. And when you go to the settings, you have in the search bar of the settings, you have to search for the status. Let's see, I search for the status, and then this option comes active status. So you have to click on the active status, and in my case it is turn off. So you have to turn off this active status, and it will show up then when you are active, and when you disable this, then it will not show up that you are active. So that's it. And when you disable this, then no one know that you appear offline, and no one friends know that you are on online. So that's it. And so make sure you are turn off this option so when you are active. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and let me know in the comments that it works. Have a good day.